Hare Krishna. So we are here, Ganga Stotram, verse number 6. Kalpalatam iva falatam loke pranamati yastvam na patati shoke paravara viharini gange vividha vadhukrita taralapange. Kalpalatam iva, you are like a kalpavriksha or desire fulfilling tree. Falatam loke, you fulfill the desire of your devotees. Falatam loke. Pranamati yastvam, those who pay obeisances to you. Na padati shoke, he never fall into distress or anxiety or worries. Paravara viharini gange, vividha vadhukrita taralapange. Gangamaya is restless to meet the ocean, just like a young girl eager to meet her beloved. But the speciality of this place in Ganga here, you can see the speciality here, because she already, like here in Navadvip, so this Ganga here you can see, this Ganga is not running. This Ganga is here Shanta Bhava. It's like still here, like a lake here. You can see here. If you go to Haridwar, Rishikesh, Badrinath, and many other places, you can see Ganga Maya is so fast in moving. But you can see here the reality, the truth with our own eyes. You can see here. Ganga is not moving here. See? You can see here. See? Various movements. Like a lake. This is a speciality of this place. Here Ganga Maya is residing here. So, Kalpalatam iva falatam loke pranamati yastvam na patati shoke paravara viharini gange vividha vadhukrita taralapange. Thank you. O Mother, you fulfill all the desires of O Mother, you fulfill all the desires of the ones devoted to you. Those who bow down to you do not have to grieve. O Ganga, you are restless to merge with the ocean, just like a young lady anxious to meet her beloved. Jai Ganga Mata ki, Srila Prabhupada ki. Thank you. Hare Krishna.